Well, how to make $100 online fast with best 10 websites to get paid to browse the internet. Yes, this is going to be awesome method that is really awesome. You browse the internet daily, right? So why not simply follow this video and make money with that? So it's very easy process. I'm going to show you 10 websites that will be awesome for you to just browsing the internet and make some handsome amount of pocket money every month without any hassles. This is a really good way without leaving your home, and just you browse your phone, you browse internet everywhere every day. Why not make money with that? So without wasting any of your time, I'm going to show you the first website that is going to be awesome for you to earn money browsing the internet. So the first website is called Askwonder.com. So this is Askwonder.com is a really good website for people who want some research projects done by all the users out there. So simply the companies upload research works in these websites and you participate as researchers. You just go there, do the task, join there and as a researchers and do the task, and you get paid for that. So this is really awesome. Simply you just go there. It's a very good and featured on professional medias out there, and professional companies are already partnered with them. Big brands are there. So you just go there and apply as a research analyst there. Simply click on this apply here button and earn while you learn. Join their team and as a research analyst, and you will make a handsome amount of money. You just click on that, it will load this page. You just simply earn money using your brain. Yes, work on when you want, wherever you want. It's no problem at all, and expand your resume and your mind as well. So according to their statement, this is what it is. You just simply all the research work, and you just go there, complete the research work, and just browsing the net and doing some data collections, and you are good to go to answer some basic questions, and then you are getting paid for that. So why not try that? This is a really awesome way to start earning money just by browsing and doing some works on the internet. So this is it, guys, the first website. The second website, you may already heard it or not, this is usertesting.com. yes, this is usertesting.com is already it expressed what it is just go there. People, companies out there just want their user opinions on their products, service, websites and on apps. You just go there, work as a tester, join them as a tester, and it will show something like this, and you just get paid. Share your perspective with global brands. Yes, how you like about it, how just go there, apply as a tester, and then browse through their task, and you just participate on those tests, and you will make money. So you can make money, earn $4 for every 5 minutes test, so $10 for every 20 minutes test, and between $30 to $120 per live interviews. So these are the ways you can earn money with them. So simply companies want your opinion on their apps and website, and you just go there, browse that website or browse their apps, and express your honest opinion to them, and you can win. It's not like win, you can earn $100 fast, really fast. This is why I'm making this method to make $100 online fast if you haven't make any money yet. So the third website that I want to show is called Opinion Outpost. It's the opinionoutpost.co.uk. It's a UK based website, so you just make it's not for everyone. You have to be on UK. It's only dependent on your locations, but definitely this is also a really good and professional site that you can just go there and express your opinions on various projects, research projects, and you can earn a decent amount of money from this legit paying website. So the fourth website is a bit different. It's called Nielsen. It's a Nielsen computer and mobile panel. So the address is a bit lengthy, it's tricky, and it's computer mobile panel.nielsen.com, and this is the page you will find when you just go there. And you can see that these are the regions they are currently allowed users to participate. So Australia, New Zealand, Germany, Italy, UK, and United States, those participants, those users can join there. You just simply click on it. For example, if I just click on this UK link here, it will load something like this. This is the page that they are expressing, like make your internet uses count, register your service, earn rewards, and contribute to them, and more points, and you will get more money. So this is a really awesome way to participate. You just go there and click on get started and sign up there, and this is a 3 step. And then they will provide you in the second step you have to install a app from them. This is a safe and secure apps, and there is no problem with that. And you simply just after you install that apps, you just let it run and get rewarded for using your internet as you do every day. So this is a really passive way to earn a decent amount of money, and this is a very interesting and different project than others. So simply you just go there, register there, and install your apps and do your own works on your phone or mobile or device, and you will make money on that process. So this is really awesome. So the fifth website that I have to show is called researchi.co.uk. This is also a UK based website that is really legit and paying. It's just like to test it provides some game testing, some health and fitness concepts, and very impact future product designs, innovations projects. It has listed. You can just go there and participate on those researches, and you will get paid for that. And this is a really easy way, and you can make 40 to 100 euro per projects you complete. So this is a really professional and a trusted research site that you can work with without any problem. So the sixth website that is called Clickworker, you may already heard it about it. It's a bit different website because they are training AI data. So they are collecting that from users around the world. They provide some tasks to users like videography, photography, and various type of simple tasks, audio recording, and they just get that data from the users, and they will train their AI systems. AI system around the world needs those data to get trained and they get more intelligence. So that is very interesting concept of Clickworker, that you can just go there, you can start working as a Clickworker. Just click this button here and you will be amazed how easy it is. And this is a 5 to 10 minutes works every day, and you will make some good amount of money every day. So the seventh website that I have to show is called Append.com. Is also a really good website to data collection and AI based projects, and that is really awesome. Simply just go there. Go there to job sections. By clicking here, it will show all the projects and jobs out there. They have micro task and survey as well. Prefer anything you prefer, you choose the projects or micro task or survey, any way you like it. You just go there, apply it, and when you get hired, you will be able to complete those tasks and make money from that. So the number 8 positions is called Answer. Just answer.com is also a really good way to earn. You can see that you can earn even $2,000 to $7,000 per month without any problem sitting at home. You just go there, register there, and work anywhere, anytime. It's not a country or location dependent. You work as much work you want. You just work all day. You will get work. You can get to that, and you can work all day if you want, and you can get money with that. So the more work you do here, the more money you can make from this website. So this is a big paying and trusted website that is featured on CNN, Fox, NBC, the New York Times. You can see that there. So this is really awesome. Simply fill this form and hit next and fill out the sign up process, and you are good to go to earn money online. So the ninth website that I want to show is already known website website, which is swagbucks.com, is also a really good website that has lots of type of works you can do, and also they have some service and testing works as well. So just go there, complete those answer or question surveys. Just browsing the internet, you can search it. Anything you do on the internet, you will get some bucks from swagbucks.com. So this is a really good website to work with as well. So last but not least, the number 10th position is UserLitex.com. It's also a good website to testing apps and different websites from companies around the world. It's a really good way to just browsing the internet, browsing the apps, browsing the website, and express your honest opinion to companies, and they are willing to pay you for that. This is a really awesome way to get money, and you can see that they are supported and featured by biggest brands out there. So this is a really legit and trusted way to go there and join and start getting research projects and testing projects. You just do it and submit your answers and get paid in no time. So you just simply click on tester, sign up here, and you sign up it, and you will work as a tester. So all these 10 websites can make you like $100 really fast, and you can even make $100 per day if you work daily. So this is the way it is. If you haven't make any money online, you just go there and work as just like browsing the internet, and you can make a decent amount of money every day without any problem. But making $100 fast, is this the way to make fast $100 online if you haven't make any money yet? So if you're liking this method, please hit the like button, and if you're not subscribed yet, please go down below, press the subscribe button with the notification bell, so you're always notified on my latest videos. New videos are going to be uploaded daily on Moneyhorn, so stay with this channel. See you in the next video. Till then, stay well, and thanks for watching.